Okay, another progression that we'll use that's a little bit, it honors the developmental sequence, but it's not exactly the same because we have already went through that. So we're starting from the standpoint of already having some strength developed, but sometimes we just need to wake a few things up in here. So pushing and pulling both starts with the prerequisite of being able to develop some spinal stability and scapular stability. So what we'll do is we'll start off down here in our prone position, and we'll have the kettlebell right in front of us. And first thing is we're just going to try to be able to get our head up, our chest up, and look around without putting too much weight down here. Now, we want to be able to establish that, have this stability right here. If we don't have this stability, then we're really never going to be able to push and pull much weight very well. We're obviously not going to be able to run and jump well either. So from here, go ahead and just put your hands on that bell. Now what I'm going to ask you to do is just pull that thing back up kind of underneath your chin, Adam's apple, and keep your elbows off the ground. Now what happens is we can just hang out here for a little while, and as Brandon will attest to you, most of us when we start this off we're going to be having a lot of pressure on here because we have lost the stability we need up here in this torso and shoulders. So as you hang out here for a little bit, your grip is going to give way, and in order to not choke yourself, you'll start activating a lot of muscles that support this spine. You doing okay there? Okay, so from here we can start pushing and pulling. So let's go ahead, and what we want to do is we want to keep this bell flat and press that on out. And we just want to be able to hang out here and breathe. We should be able to exhibit head control, turning our head either way, anything, all the things that we would do from within that developmental sequence. So let's go ahead and pull that thing back. And just hang out here and be happy, and breathe, head control, and go ahead and just do another rep or two. And then if we really want to have some fun, go ahead and press it back out there. And go ahead and put this hand in the small of your back. And go ahead and row that on down. And press it back out. And have a break.